Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove constant contact footer. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and open up emails right here. All right. As you can see here at the bottom, this footer, if you want to remove this one, as you can see, when you click on it, you won't be able to, or there's no such option to delete this. All right. And this one as well. I'm going to explain this one later to you. Now, for example, in here, the constant contact logo, well, unfortunately, you can just change the color from here, but not remove it. Now, to successfully remove it, all you have to do is just to contact the constant contact support team. All right. Now, how do we do that? Go ahead and go to the top right and click on the question mark and go to the bottom. Here we have contact us button. Click on it. Now, as you can see, you can go ahead and email the customer support. And when they are open, you can go ahead and call them. Okay. Now, for example, just email the customer support. Right here, it will open up a new page. All right. Just clearly state that you want the constant contact logo or the footer removed. Okay. And once the support team processes your request, they will confirm the removal. All right. As you can see here, your name will be added. Email, I'm looking for help with. Click on the drop down and just click on support. All right. Here, again, clearly state that you want the constant contact logo or the footer removed. And again, once the support team processes your request, they will confirm the removal via email, this email, and then the logo will no longer appear in your future emails. Again, future emails. The removal will only apply to new emails and future sends, okay? Not past emails. And it's important to note that certain elements within the footer, just like this one, the unsubscribe button, all right, or the link, well, you're not going to be able to request the removal of this one as this is required by law. All right, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.